This Soviet creation has been dubbed the Caspian Sea Monster. Its designers believe the Ekranoplan, a low-flying ground effect craft, could ultimately replace cargo ships and ferries. More than 300 feet long and 130 feet high, the Ekranoplan was first sighted several years ago by U.S. spy planes as it participated in maneuvers outside Nizhny Novgorod, one of the most secretive cities of the Soviet Union during the Cold War. This 500-ton cargo craft can reach speeds in excess of 300 miles per hour while flying just 20 feet above the surface. It's capable of carrying 50% more weight than a conventional cargo plane of the same size and uses half the fuel to do so. One of the most unusual aircraft ever designed, it's evident that the future of flight has the potential to be revolutionary as well as evolutionary.